this tastes like chicken. What's it called?
Bourbon chicken.
Bourbon chicken.
No bourbon used.
No bourbon used.
Hold that bowl closer so you don't splatter it all over. Alright, put it in. And get some more. What's in the big red bowl?
The big red bowl is cornstarch and the chicken. Then this is the egg that I'm dipping it in. And they soak in there for about like a second or two. Oh, and then you put them in the spoon for me. Because my mom doesn't want me burning myself. And you put
Okay,
them on.
is that all?
No,
Yeah.
there's some more in.
Alright, finish up. Try to get it all in there so it cooks the same amount of time. Scoop it all in the egg. Okay, get the rest of it in the egg. Gotta go fast on this one, huh?
Yes, it's very difficult and you were also rushing me.
Sorry. Cooking waits for no one. Get the rest of it, just do big scoops. Put it all in the egg.
I am, but
You aren't, actually. Okay, every last bit of chicken, put it all in the egg. There we go. Now you can do big scoops. Alright, we'll come back when it's done cooking and then put the sauce on it.
okay, bye. Here's fried rice. Now
Here's the chicken.
so that's the chicken gonna go into the oven.
It doesn't look very good right now because we gotta add the sauce. Here's the sauce.
Yes, and right now I'm working on chopping up carrots,
Yes.
which is very scary. Cause look at this big knife. See, yeah. I know you shouldn't point to the person, so no. It is a big knife, but my mom is teaching me how to use it.
Very good. Okay, we'll come back once we have all the ingredients ready.
And season. Bye. No. So we're cooking the fried rice because the chicken is in the oven now.
There's the chicken. It's hard to see.
Yeah, it's hard to see for the camera.
Okay, so
And
what's
then
in
we're
our...
sauteing vegetables.
What vegetables do here?
We have green pepper, chopped up carrot, chopped up green pepper, chopped up onion, and I'm gonna go ahead and make it. Move it around a little so it doesn't burn. You know, get all that smoky flavor. Actually, wasn't a fan of this meal, but I think I like it now. So, you know, and also my mom's like, you gotta eat it anyway. So, you know, parents can be a little bit mean, but you gotta do what they say.
Am I mean for making you eat good food?
If I don't like it, then yes.
Mm.
Yeah, the background is my mom, so don't be afraid if I think that's a ghost. Yeah, there are no ghosts. What do you think?
How's it looking?
These things look pretty good. I think I'm going to give them a couple more minutes.
What else are you going to add into the fried rice? What do you have over there to the side?
Oh, this is rice.
Uh-huh.
And then we have peas, the oil, which we're probably not going to eat.
It's already in the pan. It's helping
Yeah.
the veggies.
And then
not
we
stuck.
have this.
Uh-huh.
And we have the egg.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh, I thought she was gonna sneeze. Whew, false alarm. Oh, you okay?
Yeah, but I was going to sneeze. I was going to sneeze away.
Thanks. And we have soy sauce over there too.
Yes, we have soy sauce and eggs. And
Alright, how's it looking?
it looks pretty good. I think
Let
maybe.
me give it a stir. Let's see those carrots and see if they're...
Now we're cooking up. Come on now. Alright, so what are we gonna do next, Ma?
I think
Add some rice in?
the rice will go next. Yes.
Right now?
Sure.
So how do you put the rice in? Do you like dump it?
You can dump it.
Will it splatter on me?
It shouldn't,
Okay, you're
especially if
doing
you
it.
dump it away,
So if I go
because
like
then the bowl would protect your hands.
that.
Uh-huh.
Well,
How would it splatter if there's no sauce?
it can't. It
Go
just
for it.
is. Okay, so if I get burnt, Mom, you're paying me $1.
Wow, that wasn't part of the deal. Bam!
Alrighty, that
Nailed
worked.
it.
So now we're gonna, I don't know if you've been to a restaurant one of these times, but you know how they flip the food? This kind of reminds me of it.
Ah, why don't you add some of the soy sauce into it, but not all of it. Right now. There you go. Not all, but some. A little bit more.
And some soy sauce.
Stir it around. I'm going to turn your heat down a little bit. Well, it smells good.
Yes, it does. You guys can't smell it, but it smells delicious. Mom, be careful, please.
Thanks. Almost fell. Yeah, a little bit more soy sauce too.
Little?
Yeah, a little bit more. Like what you added last time, that same amount.
A little bit more soy sauce over here. Now, add it together. And you know how those rices from that show, I don't know what it's called. What's it called again? Where they flip the food in front of you? They cook it?
Teppanyaki?
Yeah, teppanyaki, that's it.
Oh,
So, this kind of reminds me of it where they cook it in front of you.
oh. You're our hibachi chef?
Well, not quite yet. I'm a hibachi sous chef.
Sous chef.
Should I
In
add some
training.
more?
Yeah, a little bit more.
Okay.
You want the rice to be a little bit brown in color.
Yeah. You know, just add some little often. You know, put some of that good flavor.
Alright. We'll come back in a couple of minutes and watch it cook some more.
Bye.
Give it a stir. You see, we cooked the egg.
So we cooked the egg. See that white stuff in? That's egg, and I forgot to tell you.
White
I do
stuff?
not like egg.
It's yellow to me.
It's yellowish.
Can you put some garlic in, please?
Yeah.
Thanks.
How much garlic?
A swoosh of garlic. Got that? A swoosh. Yep. Swoosh it. There you go. Perfect.
Really?
Yep.
Alright, add some garlic. There you know, some garlic.
Garlic. I'm going to add more water. I don't want it to burn. Here, add a little bit of that. Not all of it.
Me?
Uh-huh.
You're asking me? Nope, you don't.
I am. You're a sous chef. Pour a little bit in.
How?
In the middle. A little bit more. Like half of what's in there. It wasn't half. I can smell the garlic. Make sure you scrape the sides too and that rice doesn't burn. Alright, mix it all up. And now we have one last thing to add.
What?
What do we have left?
Peas.
Peas. Dump them in.
Let's add these delicious little peas. Look at how cute they are.
Okay.
Put the little things in.
All right, we'll let that cook, and then the chicken's about halfway done.
Yes.
We have like 26 seconds left, so then we'll stir the chicken, and then we'll be back.
Hey you guys, it's me, Hannah, and the food's done, so we're gonna plate it all up. See what I did there? Plate it all up. So I'm gonna scoop some rice, and my mom's gonna do some chicken action, and I'll show you what we got on the plate for you.
Okay, go ahead.
With this or this?
This.
Oh, didn't even see that. So this one's gonna be mine.
Okay.
Just a little more, you know how much I eat.
Okay.
There we go. There's some for me. I'm gonna work on Dad's. Daddy a good portion. I'm gonna give Daddy a good portion.
It's just like Panda Express.
I got it. Was that Daddy's? Do you want that to be yours or Daddy's?
That's fine. It doesn't matter. We eat about the same.
Okay.
You want to show them what I'm saying?
I will. Alrighty.
Here you go.
So this is either going to be my mom or dad's because they eat a bigger serving. And if you're a child about my age, 7, and then this is how much I eat for the kids. So, see, doesn't it look amazing? So right here's the chicken, and here's that amazing fried rice that we made. Hey, fresh from the stove, and then chicken from the oven. And my mom scooped the chicken, I scooped the rice, and this is going to be a scrumptious meal. Say bye, Mom.
Oh, we're going to eat now.
We're going to eat now. Bye.
Bon appetit.
Bonjour.
Not bonjour. say bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
There you
What does
go.
that mean?
Eat well.
Oh.